Welcome to Mint Hill Tool Rental's educational video series where we take a look at a variety of the equipment that we have available for rent to you. Today we are going to take a look at how to use a Manlift safely.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be demonstrating how to operate a Manlift. We have Raj here to show us.
Yes, today we'll be operating a 34-foot nifty lift.
So most people tend to rent the lifts for tree work, cleaning windows, Christmas lights, anything that's up high that ladders just won't be able to reach.
The first thing we talk about is safety. Make sure you have on your safety harness. You can adjust your safety harness here, make sure it's properly well on you. On the side here, you adjust it. Next side, you adjust your harness. And then after, we go to operate your lift now. First thing we do, we have a safety feature on the lift here. So we're gonna take off the safety, and then after, we can start to operate the lift. This lift is battery operated, right? So if by any chance you're using this lift and the battery fail, we have a backup engine. All you do, you start this engine and you have full power again. I'm gonna show you when I get the lift up and everything like that. Most important, make sure you unlatch it from your truck. Otherwise, the machine won't operate good. So you have to take it out from your truck. So first you come here, you turn the keys on the down position, you pull out the safety. Once you hear that noise, you have power. You have one safety here, you have one safety on the basket. Both of them have to be out. Then after you walk on the side here, you have a power button here. You have to hold it down to send out your outriggers. You hold on the power button and you send out your outriggers.
Hey Raj, what's the common issues customers may run into?
Most of the time they call, Raj, the machine not working. I just move it, I pick it up and I move it and it's not working. They will hear alarm song off. That means something is wrong with the machine, they can't use it. Most of the time, that means the outriggers have to be on the ground. That's why the alarm will be on, right? So once you hit the outriggers on the ground and it's properly well secure, and you hit this button and you will hear you can operate your lift now. How you will know this machine level and it's ready to use? It have the bubble on the side here. It has to be level. This is your level here. You check that and then you're going to come on the side here to operate your machine. Yeah, it have the next power button here to operate your machine. You have to hold on this button here to operate your machine. That's the way you will know the machine is ready to work. I'm going to send it down here now. To operate the machine on the basket now, you take the key and you turn it on the up position. It have the ground position and then it have the up position. So you just take the key and it's on the up position. So all the power from here, everything is on the basket side now. She's gonna hook my harness, make sure it's safe. Right, so my harness installed and now we're gonna do the same thing. It have a power button here. We hold it, and the same thing. It have a little button on the side here. This little one is to adjust your basket when you go up on top. So if your basket like that, you press the button and you adjust this little one to adjust your basket. So we're going up again with the machine. So your machine coming out, you can bring out your machine. If you want to go close to a tree or something like that, you go up more high. It will go up higher than that and all. Up to 34 feet this machine go till. Then after, you come out and it can be which side you want to turn. The machine will rotate. Any side you want, the machine will rotate. So any part, you can stop the machine, extend it out again, go up again. As I say, go up to 34 feet. That's how you operate the machine. If you're on top and the power fail by any chance, first you hit the safety switch, you leave it for about 5 seconds, then you pull it out rack, it reset back the whole machine. If that fail now, then after I'm going to show you what you have to do. As I say, you have a backup motor if everything fail. You come here, you put on your choke. You have a choke, yes, ordinary Honda motor, easy to operate. You start, you have full power again. You don't have to do nothing again. Another thing, if you're on top there and you are alone working, you leave the choke a little like this and you keep the switch on the on position. You could also start the machine in the basket. That's what I'm going to show you now. And this knob here with this 2 yellow tag showing you the engine. You start it, you have full power again. That's how simple it is. You come down with it, and that's it. You could also cut it off from right here. If everything else fails, this is your last option. If you're in the air, you get somebody to jack it down, and the machine will come down.
Well, thank you, Raj, for demonstrating how to operate a Manlift. And if this isn't what you need, we do have different options.
We have a nifty 50, which is almost the same thing, same backup motor and everything, but we don't have it inside. You could go on the website and look it up and see what it looked like. Plus, we have a 45-foot lift. It's self-level, almost the same thing as a 50, self-level, everything. Then we have a scissors lift. People use that for indoors to change lights, anything inside. Then we have a JLG 50-foot lift. That one is auto level, just like the 45.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your experience down in the comment section below.